Good afternoon, everyone. Today our discussion is about thick or thin architecture software, which I'm going to choose. Today I'm going to choose about thin architecture or lean architecture. This software is a virtual desktop computing model, works on data resources stored on a central server or cloud instead of computer resources, which is done by thick. The clients are the new way of computer technology which uses thin approach. They work remotely in an environment where most applications and sensitive data exist on servers, not locally, but completely relies on cloud software, platform. They also have more power than most laptop and personal computers which we use generally. Thin clients are powerful software that have the memory and storage need to run applications and inbuilt computing tasks which are very advanced. Because of this, they don't have to rely heavily upon outside resources. They also cut down waiting time, and huge amount of data could be also saved, which is going to be stored in cloud or server. The concept of a thin client device is to function of a virtual desktop using the computing power on network servers and cloud. The central server may also be on premises data center or cloud-based system, which can be anywhere in the world. Companies with limited resources use thin clients because they don't want employees to use up data while browsing online. Thin clients also have the perfect because they also still work. They have the essential tasks with they can perform essential tasks without any hiccups or whatsoever. It is very cost efficient. It allows companies to streamline workflow, and they can also save huge amount of workspace to offer for the employees. By using thin clients, we can run network under one roof, and it is very safe to save huge amount of time and money. A thin client is an excellent choice if you focus the balance, performance, and portability. In addition to this, machine learning software can also be used for optimization of their businesses resources by analyzing data from all over the network in real time. Many companies with specific manufacturing hubs offers desktops and computers like Dell and HP. Examples of thin software, thin clients are like there are so many examples, but the majority of the examples come from the browsing department, and the other examples would be like Google Docs, online games, search engines, and popular websites like Amazon and Flipkart. So in thin software, all processing happens on the server side and displays data to users on browser or website side. There are many advantages of thin software architecture, but there are I would mention few. Thin software has a very tiny thin clients are tiny and can provide space saving opportunities for those who don't have much room. They also hand off heavy duty processing to servers that cuts down the need for fans and saving spaces. It's very cost efficient. Then clients don't risk because they have few internal parts. They are also easy to plug in and set up, and saving on IT costs also as well. They are very secure. These clients can ensure that only trusted software is installed on your computer. Easier management. Thin clients has a lot of installing software and ensuring your computer is up to date or not. You'll also have another issues with hardware or updates again. But there are few disadvantages of the thinkers, which may be like single point failure because of the centralized nature of this architecture. If any point in the centralized network could lead to a fatal failure into the entire system. And the other important disadvantage of this is that thin clients rely on their powerful machines for their work, and if they don't have any proper power services, then the entire system will be suffering a huge loss. When the network is slow, you need to wait for the connection to return before the resume starts of the work. So the thin clients or thick clients, it's a debate which is going to go on forever. But to conclude, choosing of thick or thin depends upon the task you are going to perform, and the type of hardware software the user going to use, and the network conditions. And the most important thing is how much control you want over the user interface, and security of the system is also to be considered before choosing the thick or thin cast. But the thing is that thin is very advantageous rather compared to thick, so I have picked the thin. Thank you, Randa.